Welcome back, everyone. You're watching the Canfield Farmer, and today we are starting soybean harvest. Got about 80 acres of soybeans somewhere there, and they're ready, so we're gonna pick them and get them in the bin back at the farm. See, there he is over there in the combine, the row crop head. I'll explain more on that later, but I'm currently here in the tractor with the big Parker 705, and we are just waiting until he can get a spot cleared out for me to pull into. So yeah, right there. Here he comes. Feel the soybeans. Combine with a 6-row row crop head. Row crop head from John Deere. That's it. Row crop heads were something John Deere made many years ago, but now they don't make them anymore. So we're running one on our combine. Seems to be running great. The dust is already starting to hit me. Yeah, that bean dust is coming. We're started, but we still got quite a bit to go. If you guys didn't know, we got about like 80 acres of soybeans here. We're hoping to have them all picked within the next 2 or 3 days. We run all the beans through a rotary screener. It's basically made by Nico. That's how we say it, but N-E-C-O. They make like rotary screeners and stuff like that. I don't know what else they make, but that's what I know what they make for sure. We have one of those. We run the beans through that. All the like trash that's in it, all the pods and everything gets separated out, and we get the clean beans that go in the bin. So That's what we do there. For bean harvest, we only ever use just one wagon because beans, they don't yield as great as like corn, so we never have a need for a truck or several wagons. When it comes to corn harvest, we run the truck, the wagons, and everything. But for bean harvest, that's what we run. Really on the Honda here. There it is. Here he comes. All right, here he comes. For those of you who don't know, that head on the front of the combine that looks like a corn head, that's a row crop head. John Deere they made those, I don't exactly know when, but they made those for a certain amount of years, and then they just discontinued it. But there are quite a few of them out there. A lot of them are rusted, a lot of them are just old. They had metal snouts, but they are really, really nice for harvesting soybeans, especially really, really good row crop soybeans, which that's pretty much what most of them are. But it works, and hey, it's a pretty nice head. We found it for a good, pretty nice condition. Been a few years, but yeah, it's a nice head.